Okay, so I'm going to talk about Google Chrome today. And if you're still using Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox or other ones, Safari, um, you should really try out Google Chrome. It's got a lot of great features, really easy to use, and matches up really well with Gmail and some of the things we use here. So the first thing you'll notice when you start up is I started on this page that has my most popular pages that I go to. Okay. Um, Also, if you click this little arrow over to the side, it'll take you to your apps. Okay. Now, all these apps are just apps within Google Chrome, and the nice thing is these apps can take you right to your mail, right to your calendar, to your drive, a lot of different places. Okay. So let me show you some of the places, some of the things you'll need to know, just the basics. Um, First thing, if you want a new tab, you click right here, and that way you can have multiple windows open. Okay. Another thing is right here, this is the reload button. We have the star right here, which the star is how you add things to your bookmarks. Okay. Then right down here you have your sign in. So you can see my sign in is my Chelsea Gmail sign in. And the nice thing is with that, it saves all my bookmarks and saves my information so that next year when I change computers and things like that, I don't have to try to transfer over all my bookmarks. It'll keep them for you when you sign in. And it actually will sign in when you sign in at any computer, at home or anywhere, it will remember your bookmarks. Okay? So the other things you need to know, this is your bookmarks bar. It'll show some of your bookmarks, and then when you click on these arrows, it'll show some more. Okay, all right. Now these three buttons right here, or these three little lines, when you click here, this has some different options for you. Like it has all of your bookmarks all together. It has where you can actually change zoom settings on your page if you want to zoom in more if you can't see. Okay. Also, if you're looking for something on a page, you can find. This is cool too. You can save a page as. So if I was on a page, like let's say, like if you are on the Chelsea homepage and you want to save that page, go down, save page as, and it'll actually save it right to your desktop, so that you can just, when you save something, let's see what it looks like here. Okay, and there it is, right there on my desktop. Okay, so if there's a site you use every day, or somewhere you go every day, a little easier to get to. Okay, so the other thing, the other things you can find in here are your settings. So the settings are kind of important when you first get started. It's going to tell you whether you're signed in as, who you're signed in as. It'll also ask you what you want to do on startup. So when I start Google Chrome, mine goes to the new tab page, which is that one where it shows your most used apps and things like that, or your most used websites. Then you could choose continue where I left off. So wherever you were the other day when you were on Chrome, it'll open there, or open to a home page like Chelsea or wherever you want it to. Okay. You can get themes for your browser if you want it to look different. You can ask what or tell it what you want to show. Maybe you don't want this bookmark to show. You can get rid of that. Okay, there it goes. And then you can enable a search engine, and I'll show you how that works in a second. Okay, this also shows who the users are. So if you have multiple Gmail accounts, like you have a school and a home, you can have those all on here, and you can sign in and out of different Gmail accounts. Okay, so that's about it. Let's see. And this is what I was talking about. Let's say if you have multiple accounts, you click on that, and then it may say, this is your Chelsea account, but it also will have your home account underneath, so you can switch back and forth. Okay. Now the address bar they actually call the Omni box, And that is because not only can you type in addresses, but you can also just type in any words. So I can, just type in dogs, hit my return, and there it goes. It uses Google search to search for that. So if you're looking for a web page, you're not sure what the address is, you don't have to worry about it. You just type it in, and there it goes. Okay, it'll take you there, and you can. So that's kind of one of the things I really enjoy about Google Chrome. Okay, so moving on here. The next thing I want to talk about is these apps. So again, when you open, if you have it open to your tabs page, it'll look like this. And then down at the bottom, or using this arrow, you can go to your apps. Now it'll start with Gmail and a couple other ones. And when I click on Gmail, for example, it takes me right into my school mail because I'm logged in as E. Robinson. Okay, but also it didn't have my calendar. Right, so I wanted to add that. So what I did is I went to the web store. When you go to the Chrome web store, most of the stuff is free. You can search for anything you want to see if they have an app for that. So maybe like Amazon, Amazon.com. There it is, Amazon Window Shop. So if I want to add that to Chrome, I click there, click Add, and there it is. So now it's a way that I can just go right to that app and open it through Chrome.